Welcome to Smacky's Garage. Today we're going to be replacing the air filter in our 2018 F-150. The 2018 F-150 has an air filter right here on the driver's side of the engine bay. It's really simple to replace. There's only two clips that are holding it in and there's no tools needed. Ford recommends that you replace this air filter every 15 to 30,000 miles. If you're doing something in extreme duty, maybe driving down dirt roads, then you want to replace it a little bit more often, every 10,000 miles. I do it every other oil change. I go ahead and replace it. So this is the air filter that we're going to be using. We're going to be using one from Motorcraft. I'll leave the part number in the description below in case you want to buy it online. Now let's go ahead and take apart the air box so we can take out the used air filter. So on the 2018 F-150, this is the 5-liter engine in the center. You have your intake tube here, and then it goes to your air box. So the air filter is inside of here, and to remove it, all we have to do is take out two clips. So we're going to take out clip 1 here, so you can see it down there. We're going to push that out, and then we're going to take out the second clip here. Now that we have these two clips off, I like to make sure that it's clean around the outside of the air box so that no dirt or anything's going to get in. And I'm going to take the air box and I'm going to slide it forward towards the front of the vehicle. So you can see these clips over here actually slid out of the back. And now that that is open, we can lift up and you can see the air filter inside. Now it's as simple as picking up this air filter and removing it. Now we can do a quick comparison of our air filters. You can see that these are the same, but one is light, one is dark. This one's been really used and it's time for replacing. One of the tips that I like when you're in here, I think it's always good to vacuum out inside of this air box so that anything that's in there doesn't have a chance of going in. This area should be clean because this is the side that the air filter is filtering out. So take a second, vacuum this out before you put in the new air filter. To put in the new air filter, all you have to do is drop in the old one and make sure it is seated. After it's seated, you take this and then you slide it back in. After these are slitted, we're going to make our way back to the front of the air filter housing. Now we're just going to take the clips and we're going to push the clips on the side to close it. All right, both back in. Thanks for tuning in today on Smacky's Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.